Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the medical rights of the person who has been arrested, and also I will be talking about the medical rights of the rape victim. Before I begin, I would like to thank Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative. I have been guided tremendously by their resources, and I read a lot from their own portal. So let us begin with the medical rights of the person who has been arrested. According to the Article 21 of Indian Constitution, read with Section 163 of CRPC and read further with Section 24 of Indian Evidence Act, the police officers do not have any right to ill-treat, abuse, torture, pressurize, or threaten the person who has been arrested. If anyone does so, then that is just the breaking of the law, and the arrested person can complain against the erring officers to the senior officers like SP. The arrested person can even make a complaint to the Police Complaints Authority of Maharashtra, which is situated at Pune and Mumbai and Nashik also. The arrested person can notify the breaking of law to the Human Rights Commission, or he can even go to the courts. So the police officer do not have any right to abuse, ill-treat, threaten, pressurize, or torture the person who has been arrested. The relevant sections are Article 21 of Indian Constitution, Section 163 of CRPC, and Section 24 of Indian Evidence Act. When a person is arrested, then that person has every right in the world to get himself or herself checked medically. Medical checkup has to be done. No matter what happens, who the accused is, who the arrested person is, medical checkup has to be done. Now this medical checkup has to be done as soon as the arrest has been made. There cannot be any delay. It has to be done immediately once the arrest has been done. The medical checkup can be done only by a medical practitioner who is working in government hospitals. But if suppose there is a situation where we do not have any medical officer from the government hospitals, or the government hospital is far away, then the arrested person can be checked up in the nearest hospital. It may be a private hospital, and the report can be made regarding the medical checkup. The report has to be signed by the medical practitioner. It has to be signed by the police officer who has arrested, and it has to be signed even by the person who has been arrested. And that report has to be given to the arrested person or the friend or relative of the arrested person. One copy has to be given. Along with that, the arrested person can claim to get himself or herself checked medically every 48 hours. Now, if I am the person who has been arrested, and if I have got myself medically checked up while making the arrest, then that does not mean that is the last checkup. I have got every right in the world to get myself checked every 48 hours. Every 2 days I can make a request to the police officer that I should be checked medically. And if I make such request, then I have to be checked up, or the provisions have to be made. I have to be taken to the medical officers to get myself checked. That is the right of the person who has been arrested. Arrest is something which is nothing but the taking away of your fundamental liberty. It is not a routine process. It is an exception. So the arrest has to be done strictly according to the provisions of law. No provision of law can be broken while making the arrest. So these are the medical rights of the person who has been arrested. Along with that, I'm going to talk about the medical rights of the rape victim. The person who has been raped, or attempt has been made to rape that person, he also has got some rights according to the provisions of law. Now, if you go and see the section 164A of CRPC, you will find that the rape victim shall be taken to the medical officer within 24 hours of reporting of the incident. If there is an incident of rape, very heinous crime has been reported of rape regarding a particular person, then the rape victim has to be taken to the medical officer as early as possible, not more than 24 hours. He or she has to be taken to the medical officer, and the person has to be checked up medically within those 24 hours, and a report has to be made by the medical practitioner. And you will be surprised to see the intensity of the law, or you will be happy to know the power of the law. The medical officer has to send the medical report immediately to the judicial magistrate according to the provisions of 173 of CRPC. So the law of the land is very powerful. If heinous crime like rape has been reported and the police officer does not take cognizance of that offense, or he does not take you to the nearest medical practitioner to check you medically, then that is a very serious offense, and the police officer who has made so many errors, he can be punished for this offense. So in India, not only the victim but the arrested person also has got rights. Arrested person has got rights, rape victims have got rights, all common people have got rights, and no person can break those laws. And this is something which I wanted to talk to you, and I once again express my thanks to Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, and thank you. And in the next lecture or series, I will be talking about some different topic regarding arrest itself, and I will let you know about it. Thank you so much.